If you're struggling to make any money online, your first dollar online, and you feel that you've been bounded about a bit like a squash ball in a squash court, bouncing off the walls, going from product to product, offer to offer, next big thing to next big thing, shiny object. If you felt like this and you're struggling to make money online, you're in the right place. And the reason you're in the right place is I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first dollar online. I'm going to show you how to do that for free, and I'm going to show you how to make it easy rather than give you, oh, buy this course, do this, you must buy this 297 course. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make your first dollar online. And watch to the end of this video. It won't be a long one, but you'll want to watch to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a AI prompt that will help you with this and will do the whole thing for you. Okay, so you can literally paste in this prompt. I'm going to show it on the screen, and it will guide you through 5 steps where at the end of those 5 steps for free, you're going to literally have the easiest way for you to make money. Before we get into the prompt, let me just cover what makes a sale. So if you're struggling, the easiest way for you to make a sale online is the right person, the right product, and the right time. The difficulty comes in those 3 things, lining them up. Okay, so you need the right person, the right product, at the right time. And what happens is, without pushing the point too much, is people go all the way round trying to look for gimmicks, trying to look for the quickest thing. That is how a sale is made online. I don't care whether you're running an affiliate business, your own product. I don't care whether you're selling services. I run a SEO agency. Exactly the same thing. The right person, the right product, at the right time. So what's the quickest way for you to do this? Well, the first thing you need is the right product, and then we can worry about the right person. And what a lot of people miss, and I'll guide you through the prompt now, is they don't get the right product at all. In fact, they don't care about the product. What they do is they move on to what niche is going to be good, what's in at the minute, what's brilliant for 2026, and they completely miss that unless your product is helping people, and unless you're genuinely infused about the product, the chance of you making a sale is very, very slim. So I've got a prompt that guides you through that. And even if you're sat there going, oh, I've tried this and I can never find a product idea, this prompt will guide you through. Not to push that too much, I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then the quickest way for you to get up and running, so the right product, is to create something that just solves one big problem for the person. Okay, it doesn't need to be groundbreaking. It doesn't need to be a 300 video course, and it doesn't need to be a huge membership. I highly suggest that you follow this video, you follow the steps. I'm going to run through them now. Get up and running and make your first dollar, and then everything is easier from that point. Okay, so let me guide you through the prompt, and I'll also put the prompt in the comments as well. If you like this video, do give it a like, do give it a subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. And let's go straight into the prompt. Here we go. Okay, so this is a all-in-one prompt, the quickest way for you to get set up. So if you're there, web pages, funnels, you don't need any of them. Okay, I'm going to guide you through the whole thing. I highly recommend that you use School. I know School, SKOOL, is pushed and it's really popular at the minute, but that is for a good reason. The reason is it's simply like a glorified Facebook group where you can charge, and you don't need hosting, and you don't, and it's got all the payment system in, and it's $9 a month. I've put my School link in the comments. I'll put it in the comments. If you get School through my link, just reply to that comment and I will send you a link to my free paid community that will help you with this stuff and go into more detail. So that's in the comments. Okay, let's run through this prompt, and this is the thing that people miss. So let's assume we're using School. You don't have to, but it starts off with you're an expert in online business, niche research, audience psychology and community building using School. And then your goal is to help me to go from 0 to my first dollar online by choosing the right niche, building a School community and monetizing it. And this is the thing that we're going to go through. Step one, discover my passion skills. Most people haven't even done this. And what this prompt will do is ask you 10 questions, which I'll show you in just a second. And it will actually cover what you enjoy, your life experience, skills you've already got, what people already ask me for help with, and what frustrates or excites me. And then summarize my top 3 niche directions based on the passion, demand, and monetization potential. Because it's no good finding your passion and finding there's not much money in it. So I'll show you that. Step 2 is validate the niche. So once we've got an idea for the niche, how can you validate it? Well, we can identify the top 10 pain points people have in the niche, show emotional triggers behind those pains. We can find out where these people hang out, Reddit, Facebook groups, YouTube. We can show proof of demand and then suggest a unique angle that avoids heavy competition. And what that does, of course, is find your way into the niche. And then step 3, define my audience avatar. This is really just a detailed profile of the ideal customer, their age, their situation, their frustrations, their desires. Again, you don't have to go into this like a full business course. It's just so you know who you're speaking to. Another little tip for you is with all your marketing, with all your products, you want to be speaking to one person. At the moment, I'm speaking to you right there, and you are a person that most likely is struggling to make money online, is getting a bit jaded, is getting a bit fed up, sees everyone else making money online, and just wants to have that breakthrough. And that's who this video is for. So you don't need to have a like magnifying glass. You just need to know who you're speaking to. And then the good bit, step 4, create your simple offer using AI. Design a beginner friendly offer that solves one painful problem to start, a simple outcome, get your first sale in 7 days. In this example, a low ticket price, what's included and why it's irresistible. And then build my school community structure. And then going on from that, step 6, content and traffic plan, no audience required. Step 7, get me my first sale. Give me a 7-day action plan. So there's quite a lot in that prompt. That's all one prompt, and I'll put it in the comments so you get it. And I wanted to give you an example of what this looks like. I'll just run through a few of the steps. You can use this prompt yourself, and what it will do first is step 1, it will ask you these questions. What topics could you talk about for hours without getting bored? Number 2, what have you personally gone through, overcome, or figured out in life? What skills do you have? What do people already ask you? And so on. It will ask you 10 questions that you can answer honestly, and then from that, I'll just show you. What I did was I said, answer the questions above for me, to give an example of how this works. Now, what AI has done is it knows me because I speak to it a lot, I use it a lot, and it's answered the questions for me. Now, the way you answer them will obviously be different, but it's saying, what topics could you talk about for hours? Making money online, affiliate sites, funnels, AI, SEO, YouTube growth, turning ideas into income, motorbikes, progression, freedom feeling, and fitness. So they're like my areas. What have you personally gone through? Built multiple affiliate sites from scratch, created and sold digital products, learned how to get traffic, SEO and YouTube, figured out how to monetize attention, experienced grief and still pushing forward, built discipline through training, fitness and motorbike riding. What skills do you have? So it's answering for me again. What do people ask for help with? How do I make money online? How do I get traffic? And so on. What frustrates you about others' content? So it's answering for me. Fake gurus, overcomplicated advice, and so on. What excites right now? AI and making money with it, building systems, helping beginners get their first result. If I had to help someone get a result in 7 days, get your first sale online or build your first simple income system. What have you spent money, and so on. Okay, you can see it's answering these. Now, what it does from that is give me, and these questions were answered for me, but it's giving me my best niche direction. Okay, so it's recommended I tell people how to make their first dollar online. Hence this video. What I'm also going to do, guys, is actually build a free school community for you that will help you make your first dollar online as well. So subscribe and keep an eye out for that. I'm going to do that. It's giving me niche ideas. And then it goes on to step 2, and I'll whiz through this because I don't want to make the video too long, and you can use this prompt. But here we go. It's actually going, where are the pain points, and it's talking about where you might be watching this video. Tried everything and made nothing, overwhelm, fear of wasting time, no clear step-by-step plan, watching others succeed, information overload, no proof it works, fear of tech, and so on. Okay, it also gives me some advice on where my audience is on Reddit, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, TikTok and Shorts, and proof of demand. Okay, your unique angle. Most people say make 10k a month, make your first dollar online. Your positioning, so it's giving me positioning here, and then step 3, it's talking about audience avatar, which is going a bit overkill, but it's giving me an idea of what this person looks like. So you watching this video might be called Jake. You might be 25 to 45, work a 9 to 5, have an income of $1,500 to $3,000 a month. Tried a few things, nothing's worked. Okay, so it's given me an idea of the person, and then it goes into step 4, create a simple offer. So what it's done, the main thing is what it's done is taken the answers to my questions, looked at who I can help based on my experience and based on my hobbies and based on my interests. Then it's told me what problems people have. Then it's built me an avatar, a customer avatar, and then it's given me an idea for a product. First dollar online, 7-day starter system. What's included? Pick your method, set up a simple system, create first piece of content, publish and take action, and so on. Okay, and you don't have to follow this to the letter, but you can see how in one prompt I've got an idea for who to target that will actually suit me, and it's also given me everything I need to create the offer. And as I mentioned at the start, I recommend that you use School, just because it's super easy to set up, and you can, well, AI is already plotting out this is how I should build the school community. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to follow this, and I'm going to create a free school community. The difference is it won't be just done with AI, it will be based on my experience, but it will be a free school community for you. So do subscribe, do give us a like, do join School through the link. I'll put it in the comments if you want to get going fast, and use this prompt. Let me go back up. It's a long prompt. I'll paste it in a pinned comment below so you've got this prompt. And if you do one thing today, at least use this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, answer the questions, and see if it eliminates the overwhelm for you. At least you'll have a direction where you're going to get a niche. You could also validate the niche by, once it gives you, go onto School, type in, see other communities, and see if anyone else is there in the same niche. So give that a go, use that to get your first product idea. And what it also does that I didn't show is it will give you exactly how to get traffic as well. So it shows you how to get traffic, free traffic through social media, and that's in step 6. You just go through and it will give you YouTube titles to use. And again, let me just say, because this is ending up a long video, but I just want to tell you this. What's the easiest way to get targeted traffic? YouTube videos that solve the problem that you help with. Okay, so it doesn't have to be groundbreaking. Right now you're watching a video on how to make your first dollar online, and that is wholeheartedly 100% what I can solve. I've been online for over 20 years, and I remember making my first official online sale. This wasn't my actual online sale, because I'd made sales before on MySpace, can you imagine? But my first ClickBank sale was actually a World of Warcraft guide. The right product, the right person, and the right time. So it doesn't have to be this huge niche, it just has to be targeted towards someone that will buy it. And my first official ClickBank sale was $23.24. That was my first sale online, and I actually built that up to it overtook my job in terms of income at the time. So give this a go. At the worst, it will just give you really, really good ideas. At the best, you can literally have your school community set up, use AI to do it. I'll do some more videos on this, but if you did enjoy it, please let me know you're there. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.